Go ahead. Be 100% honest with me.
Your dreams of becoming a world-renowned artist seems very far-fetched. But it takes you forever to complete one painting. How are you supposed to achieve that dream at this pace?
It's a creative process, okay? If I don't have it, I can't push it. It has to come to
Can
me.
you even hear yourself talk? Let's take for a second that I too was a creative. How are we going to feed? How are we supposed to take care of all our needs?
Look, I appreciate what you do for us, but I'm not you. I cannot take a job that I'm not passionate about, all because of money.
All because of money. You're really trying to downplay the importance of money?
Money is not everything, Gina.
Yeah, it's not. It's easy for you to say, well, you have a fiancé who foots all the bills.